Welcome to Boosters Advertising, where we explore cutting-edge innovations transforming the world of personal finance and investing. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in modern finance, artificial intelligence. Could AI be the future of investment automation? Let's find out. Imagine having an intelligent assistant constantly monitoring the stock market, adjusting your portfolio based on real-time data, and making decisions for you while you focus on other things. That's exactly what AI-powered investment platforms are doing for millions of people worldwide. So what exactly is AI in finance? Artificial intelligence refers to systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks. In the context of finance, AI can analyze huge amounts of data, detect patterns, and make predictions faster and more accurately than a human ever could. This technology is revolutionizing everything from fraud detection to customer service. But today, we'll focus on how AI is automating investments. AI-based investment platforms, sometimes referred to as robo-advisors, are designed to handle your portfolio with minimal human intervention. These platforms use algorithms to analyze your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the market's current conditions. They can then recommend or even automatically execute trades, ensuring that your investment strategy is constantly optimized. The process works like this. AI collects and processes large sets of data, from stock prices to global news and even social media trends. It then identifies patterns and opportunities to buy or sell assets, all in a fraction of a second. This allows for smarter and faster decisions, which can potentially boost your returns while minimizing risks. Now, let's talk about the benefits of automating your investments with AI. First and foremost, it's efficient. AI can process thousands of data points in real time, something that would take a human team much longer. Secondly, AI is emotionless. It doesn't panic sell during market downturns or make impulsive buys during booms. This leads to more consistent, rational decision-making. Another major benefit is convenience. AI automation allows you to set it and forget it, making it ideal for people who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Finally, AI can reduce costs since many robo-advisors charge lower fees compared to traditional financial advisors. However, AI investing isn't without its risks. While AI is incredibly powerful, it's still reliant on the data it receives. If the market behaves in unexpected ways, the algorithms can struggle to adapt. And while AI removes emotional bias, it may also overlook qualitative factors like global events or changes in corporate leadership, which could impact your portfolio. As with any investment, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor to ensure AI-based strategies align with your personal financial goals. So, is AI right for your investment strategy? If you're looking for a hands-off approach that leverages cutting-edge technology, AI-based automation might be a great fit. On the other hand, if you prefer a more personal touch or are investing in complex niche markets, human expertise might still be invaluable. AI in finance is undoubtedly here to stay, offering a new level of accessibility and efficiency for investors. The question is, are you ready to let AI help you grow your wealth? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and technology. Thanks for watching Boosters Advertising.